STZ stock analysis and STZ stock prediction. Look, what I'll be doing in this brief and short 1 minute video is showing you my exact play. The only guy in this space has done 42,000 videos and actually documented them all. It's taken me 5 years, but at least I've seen what's printing for me and what's not. Especially Constellation Brands. Bro, I'm all ears, you know. I'm looking to just generally like drop that, not buy or sell, but just stick to the rules. And in this case, the process that it's taken me 5 years to refine says that it's a bearish market. And how so? We just like literally cleared the previous lows. And what is the likelihood that we kind of keep doing the same exact thing? Well, if you ask me, it's quite high. So here's the supply zone. Only if this does pump up and shows me some sort of a shift, then I'm looking to further take it down. But like randomly selling will not be happening. So all I'm doing here in the meantime is I'm waiting. If you want to learn the sauce and all that good stuff and good jazz, click the first link in the description. It's risk-free. All reviews are 5 stars. 1,200 people have tried it.